Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious spinach dip from scratch. First, gather your fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready to go. Next, prepare your spinach by thawing it and carefully squeezing out all the excess water. Then, combine all these wonderful ingredients in a large mixing bowl until they are perfectly blended. Finally, chill your dip for at least 1 hour before serving to achieve the best possible flavor and consistency. For this delightful spinach dip, you will need 10 ounces of frozen chopped spinach, which should be thawed and drained. Next, grab 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. This forms the creamy base. You will also need 1 cup of sour cream and 1 cup of mayonnaise to achieve that perfect texture. Finally, add 1 packet of dry vegetable soup mix to infuse your dip with a rich, savory flavor that everyone will love. Achieving the perfect consistency is key. First, ensure you thoroughly squeeze all excess water from your thawed spinach. This prevents a watery dip. In a large mixing bowl, combine your softened cream cheese, sour cream, and mayonnaise. Then, gently stir in the dry vegetable soup mix and your well-drained spinach. Mix everything until all ingredients are evenly distributed and the dip is wonderfully smooth and uniform. Once your dip is mixed, cover it tightly with plastic wrap or a secure lid. It is crucial to refrigerate the dip for a minimum of 60 minutes. This chilling period is essential as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious taste. Serve your perfectly chilled spinach dip with an assortment of your favorite crackers, crusty bread, or fresh vegetable sticks for a delightful appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.